Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Row 82 here, your railroad archaeologist, who today is bringing you some track work over here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So as you can see, let me see, you got the old rails over here. See if we can find the date on the rails. I'm sure we'd be able to find the date on the rails. I mean, it's upside down, so we're gonna have an even funner time. So yeah, you got all this going on over here, and then your Harsco trackage equipment. This was one of my old stomping grounds, by the way. I used to serve these industries when I was a freight train conductor for FEC. There's a milepost over there. And I'm gonna go film it by the other side where we can see all those prefab new rails ready to be placed. Give me 1 second. Okay, ladies and gents. So here you have one of the relay cases. Here you have that would be track view south, and this would be north. So we're at Dania Beach Boulevard and 4th Avenue. I'll include a Google Maps link to this location so you guys can follow along. And here we got your W.C. Hayes gate mechanism, W.C. Hayes signal base, W.C. Hayes LED lights all the way around, 14 feet between west and east tracks. There you go. And then we just had a hot rail here. The Brightline went through. There's all that equipment that I was showing you guys earlier. And this track hasn't seen I used to service one of these industries. Forgot which one it was. It's been like 5 years, but somewhere around here. So I used to ride all the way from Port Everglades, which is a few miles away. Let's say like maybe four or so miles on the main. So I would protect the point. That means that the locomotive was in the back and I was protecting the rear of the train. So yeah, that was like a Western. It's an experience within itself. You got new signals coming in over here. If you're gonna come over here and check this out for yourself, I suggest keep your guard up, because this isn't one of the best neighborhoods in Fort Lauderdale. So yes, ladies and gents. And then one thing I've seen within the last couple years is all these crossings, these marks painted on the crossings. I think this is a new law or new ordinance as of a few years ago. Let me show you guys the new rails that they're gonna put in.